Hey guys, today we are here looking at the Stratos 36. Is this the perfect day pack for you? Maybe even for overnighters? We'll find out now. Welcome to Backcountry Renegade. My name is Jeff. Today we're looking at the Stratos 36. This is an excellent lightweight pack for the day hiker, for all day hikes, and plenty of room if you choose to make it into an overnighter. Let's check it out. So here's the Osprey Stratos 36 in its empty form. Now if you look at it, this is the small medium. It also comes in a medium large. It's recommended for hiking, backpacking, and is great as a day pack or for short overnighters. It comes in 4 colors: orange, black, blue, or this green you see here. And it sells for $170. The small version is actually more like a 33 liter than a 36. The dimensions are 25.2 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 12.6 in diameter, and weighs in at just under 3.174 pounds, or that's 59.42 ounces. The recommended low carry is 15 to 40 pounds, and whatever weight you are in there, it seems to hold comfortably in that range. The material is 210D nylon, where the bottom part is a little bit thicker at 420D nylon. Starting in the back, we can see it is supported by a light wire alloy frame, which creates a very low profile airspace, optimizing pack balance and ventilation. We see here it is an airspeed. The airspeed is ventilated suspension, kind of like a trampoline style mesh back panel, so it's very comfortable. It allows for excellent ventilation. There's also a gap between the mesh and the pack, which helps do a good job holding the pack a bit away from your body so that it prevents pressure points, helping you spread the load. The ventilation continues down into the hip belt, where it goes all the way through, along with some extra cushion as well. The hip belt is very comfy, but coming from the Atmos AG65, it is definitely a different hip belt. The Atmos is going to be more thicker and rigid, where the Stratos is thinner and more flexible. The belt is nice and comfy with nice cushion and ventilation. It has a seamless lumbar to the hip body wrap, and you also have hip pockets into the belt. This is small enough to fit some snacks, but big enough to fit maybe a small phone. The shoulder straps also have nice cushion going all the way down, and ventilation as well for them. The shoulder straps are adjustable, so you can also remove the shoulder strap top, and you can raise it or lower it depending on your height. You do have an adjustable sternum strap where that can move up or down, and it also has a whistle. Flipping it over and looking at the top here, we do see we have a top lid. It is very spacious. You have a pocket here, inside here, which you can hold a lot of things, and then underneath you also have a mesh pocket to hold separate things. The lid, or the brain, while it does hold a lot of things, is sewn in, so it is not removable, so you cannot take it off if you're not going to use it. One of my criticisms is I do wish this was removable. Now this is a top loader, so you do have one big compartment here. It's kind of like a big stuff sack. You can cinch it down real nice just by pulling it in and then closing the top lid. Looking at the front, we can see one thing that it has. It does not have the stretchy mesh front pocket that we see on things like the Atmos and the Exos. Instead, it has a front middle pocket. You can access it just by zipping it in, and you can see you do have some room in there, but when the pack is pretty full, you can maybe fit just a few things like a map and stuff. Now, as you see, it is sewn in, so you are limited on how far you can pull this apart, so just be careful not to overstuff it. My preference is I would prefer the stretchy mesh pocket rather than this, but this will do and holds lots of stuff. On the left side, you do have a really nice access pocket from the side, so on these top loaders this can be very convenient, so you don't have to take out everything if you want to get something that's towards the bottom of your pack, so you have that nice zipper there. There's also one ice axe holder right here. You can hold in your axe, and then the bottom comes in right here. Noticing the clips and straps, they're pretty typical for packs. Compared to the Exos, these are a bit thicker, but compared to the Atmos, they're about the same size and thickness. The side pockets are nice and stretchy with nylon at the bottom for extra durability, so if you want to stow your tent poles, it allows you to do so. The cinch cords are also nice and durable, and you can cinch down anything there, either a water bottle or your tent stakes. The zippers are also nice, and they're wide, so if you are wearing gloves, you can access them pretty easily. Looking at the bottom, we do see we have these straps here to hold a sleeping pad or possibly even a light tent. These are a lot more durable than, say, like the Exos, and so they are sturdy, they can hold more weight. Also, you do have a sleeping bag compartment down here, which is very nice. Now, it is pretty small, and to note, this lid isn't detachable here, so it's not adjustable, but you can load your stuff down and it will come back all the way down if you are not using a sleeping bag. But if you are using a sleeping bag, make sure it is compressible and down and you can fit it in here. If not, then you're going to be hard pressed to get a sleeping bag in here since it is small. Another thing that is pretty nice is it does have a nice little rain cover integrated into the bottom. So you can pull that out, and this is really nice because most rain covers that Osprey sells are $35 that you have to purchase separately. But this one, it actually comes included into the pack. Upon walking, it's pretty comfortable, not too much higher than the Exos as far as weight. It feels nice in the shoulders, a lot more padding all the way through. Overall, feels pretty good. So overall, this is a very nice pack. It has plenty of room for a long day hike, and it's able to be used if your day hike turns into an overnighter. I'm on the fence though to determine between this one or the Stratos 34, which is a panel loader. I'm going to have a competition video up here soon, and I'll let you know there which one I prefer. So what do you think? Is the Stratos 36 for you? Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you would rather go with another pack, what pack would you go with? Let me know in the comments section. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.